Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add and use the circle to search feature on older Android phones. Even you are still on Android 11 like mine or other older Android. So if your phone doesn't have the official circle to search built in, don't worry, you can still enjoy it with the help of an app from the Play Store. So let's get started. First, what is circle to search? It's a cool feature originally available on newer devices like the latest Samsung or Pixel phones and many newer series phones. It lets you quickly search anything on your screen by just circling it. It's super fast and convenient. So to bring this feature to older Android versions, just go ahead and open the Play Store and then just search for Circle to Search. This app, just install it. And when you're done, just open it and then tap on via actions or gesture and then just checklist this one and then agree and go to settings. In this first way, let's enable the accessibility shortcut. It will just tap that buttons that will take you to your phone settings like this. It will take you to the accessibility settings on your phone like this and then just tap on installed services like this. And then in here just tap on circle to search and then just turn it on the feature and then allow and then make sure you turn on the circle to search shortcut to this one. This way to enable the accessibility button shortcut that will appear on the bottom right corner, this one. With this shortcut you can turn the feature on or off anytime. That makes it much easier to use. Next, just go back to the app and then just tap on by clicking on a floating button in here. In here you can customize the shortcut icon, like set the size and then adjust the transparency, and then your circle to search icon will appear like this. You can change the positions to anywhere so it doesn't block your screen. Just make it comfortable for you. And then now let's try it. Whenever you want to search something on your screen, just tap the accessibility button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it to turn on and turn off the circle to search icon like this. And then just tap the icon. And then just draw a circle around the object or text that you're curious about. Like this, and as you can see, Google will instantly search it for you. And okay, that's it. Now you can enjoy circle to search on older Android device too. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.